Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you fit and fine. Today we will start a new chapter from your third textbook, Social and Political Life. The chapter name is Markets Around Us. In this chapter, we will discuss about the different kinds of markets such as local and shopping complex in your locality. And we use these resources to learn about different kinds of markets in your locality, try to differentiate between local markets and shopping complex and find out how goods travel through various market places. And we also discuss about issues and challenges associated with different kinds of markets in your locality. So let us start the chapter. मार्केट्स अराउंड अस मीन्स हमारे आसपास के बाजार. वी गो टू द मार्केट टू बाय मेनी थिंग्स, वेजिटेबल्स, सोप, टूथपेस्ट, मसाला, ब्रेड, राइस, दाल, क्लॉथ्स, नोटबुक्स, बिस्किट्स इत्यादि. इफ वी मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द गुड्स दैट वी परचेज इट वुड बी रियली लॉन्ग. मीन्स if we make a list of the goods that we purchase in daily life, it would be really long. There are many kinds of markets that we may visit for our everyday needs. These can include shops, hawkers stalls in our neighborhood, a weekly market, a large shopping complex, perhaps even a mall. In this chapter, we look at some of these markets and try to understand how the goods that are sold there reach buyers, who these buyers are, who these sellers are, and the sorts of problems they face. Picture of markets and goods that can be purchased from different types of markets. In this picture, you can see different types of markets: women markets, shopping complex. So first thing about the market, the first kind of market, weekly market. A weekly market is so called because it is held on a specific day of the week. Means at the particular day of the week these markets held. Weekly markets do not have permanent shops. Means the shopkeepers of weekly markets, they do not construct a building or shops for their goods. Traders set up shops for the day and then close them up in the evening. The traders come in the morning and set up their shops and then close them up in the evening. Then they may set up at a different places the next day. Means weekly in the particular place, a particular day, weekly market, but the next day another place of weekly market held on. There are thousands of such markets in India. People come here for their everyday रिक्वायरमेंट्स. देश भर में ऐसे हजारों बाजार लगते हैं. लोग इनमें अपनी रोजमर्रा की जरूरत की चीजें खरीदने के लिए आते हैं. पीपल कम हियर फॉर देयर एवरीडे रिक्वायरमेंट्स. मेनी थिंग्स इन वीकली मार्केट्स आर अवेलेबल एट चीपर रेट्स. मीन्स साप्ताहिक बाजारों में बहुत सी चीजें सस्ते दामों पर मिल जाती हैं. मेनी थिंग्स इन वीकली मार्केट्स आर अवेलेबल एट cheaper rates than shopping complex or other shops. This is because when shops are in permanent buildings, they incur a lot of expenditure. They have to pay rent, electricity, fees to the government. So the final price of the goods increased. They also have to pay wage to their workers. In weekly markets, these shops owners stores the things they sell at home. साप्ताहिक बाजारों में बेची जाने वाली चीजों को दुकानदार अपने घरों में ही जमा करके रखते हैं। Most of them are helped by their family members and hence do not need to hire workers. In weekly markets, most of shopkeepers are helped by their family members and hence do not need to hire workers. Weekly markets also have a large number of shops selling the same goods, which means there is a competition among them. साप्ताहिक बाजारों में एक ही तरह के सामानों के लिए कई दुकानें होती हैं, जिससे उनमें आपस में प्रतियोगिता भी होती है। यदि एक दुकानदार किसी वस्तु के लिए अधिक कीमत मांगता है तो लोगों के पास यह विकल्प होता है कि वे अगली दुकान पर सामान देख लें जहां संभव हो कि वही वस्तु कम कीमत में मिल जाए। If some traders were to charge a high price for their goods, people would move to another shop where some things may be available more cheaply or where the buyer can bargain and brings the price down. One of the advantages of weekly markets is that most things you need are available at one place. साप्ताहिक बाजारों का यह सबसे बड़ा फायदा है कि जरूरत का सभी सामान एक ही जगह पर मिल जाता है। Most of things you need are available at one place. Whether you want vegetables, groceries or cloth items, utensils, all of them can be found here. किराना सामान से लेकर सब्जियां, कपड़े, बर्तन, सभी चीजें यहाँ उपलब्ध होती हैं। You do not have to go to different areas to buy different things. उसके लिए आपको अलग अलग सामान के लिए आपको अलग अलग दुकान पर जाने की जरूरत नहीं होती है। People also prefer going to a market where they have a choice and a variety of goods. लोग अक्सर उन बाजारों में पसंद करते हैं जहां सामान के विविध विकल्प उपलब्ध हों। Have a choice and a variety of goods. So today we had discussed weekly market. Here in yellow picture, Samir, seller of clothes. Samir is a small trader in the weekly market. He buys clothes from a large trader in the town and sells them in 6 different markets in a week. वह शहर के एक बड़े व्यवसायी से कपड़े खरीदता है और एक वीक में 6 अलग अलग जगहों पर वीकली मार्केट में अपना दुकान लगाता है। He and other cloth sellers moves in groups. समीर और दूसरे कपड़ा व्यापारी इकट्ठे आते जाते हैं। They hire a mini van for this. इसके लिए वे किराए की मिनी वैन लेते हैं। उसके ग्राहक सामान्यतः आसपास के ग्रामीण होते हैं। His customers are from villages that are near the market places or weekly market. At festival times such as during Deepavali or Pongal, he does good business. दीपावली, पोंगल या ऐसे ही त्योहारों के मौके पर समीर अच्छा व्यवसाय कर लेता है। In next class we will discuss about shops in the neighborhood. So thank you.